In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to your n8n AI automation workflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection between Airtable and n8n so you can read, create, or update records as part of your automations. First, you'll need an Airtable API token. In Airtable, go to Account, then Developer Hub, and open Personal Access Tokens. Create a new token and grant it the data, records, read and data.records write permissions. These let n8n retrieve and modify rows in your tables. Give the token a clear name so you remember what it's for, keep the scope minimal for security, and copy the token somewhere safe. You'll only see it once. Treat it like a password and never share it publicly. Now switch over to n8n. Create a new workflow and add an Airtable node. You can search for Airtable in the node picker to find it quickly. With the node selected, it's time to set credentials. Choose the API token option, then paste in the Airtable token you just created. Save the credentials so n8n can use them securely in this and future workflows. Next, enter your base ID in the table name. The base ID uniquely identifies the Airtable base you're connecting to. You can find it in Airtable's API documentation for your base or within the base's developer details. The table name should match exactly what you see in Airtable, including capitalization and spaces. Double-check spelling here. Most connection issues come from typos. If your base has multiple tables, you can point additional Airtable nodes at different tables later, but start with the one you need for this workflow. With credentials and table details in place, choose your action. Read lets you fetch records, which is great for testing your connection and pulling data into downstream nodes. Create adds new records to your table. You'll map field names in n8n to columns in Airtable. Update modifies existing records. For this, you'll typically provide a record ID or a filter that identifies which row to change. Start with read if you just want to confirm everything is wired correctly, then switch to create or update as your workflow requires. That's it. You've connected Airtable to n8n using a personal access token, set your base and table, and selected an action that fits your automation. Keep your token secure, limit permissions to only what you need, and consider rotating tokens periodically as a best practice. When you're ready, build on this by chaining nodes to transform data, trigger flows, or notify your team automatically.